Wide planks, artisan color treatments, long lengths, European white oak. Sounds like an expensive and beautiful floor, right? Well, that's the beauty of the 1875 collection. It's designed to give a high-end look at an everyday price point. The ideal customer for the 1875 collection is a budget-conscious shopper with high-end taste. This is a truly versatile floor that works in modern industrial, coastal, farmhouse, or urban modern settings. In 19th century London, Mark Brunell pioneered a new technique for cutting veneer from lumber. This technique, perfected in 1875, gave a new efficient way to cut veneers but still preserve the beautiful linear grain patterns of the natural wood. Sliced veneers keep all the beautiful characteristics of the wood but still give an efficient and economical way to produce flooring. It doesn't take long to notice the depth of color that's the primary selling feature of this line. That's because the 1875 collection uses a variety of unique color treatments to change the look of the veneer without using any pigmented stain. This allows the beauty and depth of European white oak to shine through. The white oak has a light wire brush and the maple has a soft, subtle scrape. We're really proud to offer these amazing color treatments and looks in a product that is surprisingly affordable. We've seen this product be used as a first upgrade in multi-million-dollar homes. It truly is luxury made it affordable.